The struggle is real, but so is the reward. Here are 10 advantages of being your own boss. Flexibility allows you to set your own schedule and work at times that suit you, resulting in a better work-life balance. As the boss, you have the final say in decision-making, allowing you to implement your own ideas and creative vision without seeking approval from higher-ups. You have complete control over the direction of your business, including its goals, strategies, and operations. When you're in charge, there's a chance to earn more money because you can directly benefit from the success of your business. You can determine your pricing and revenue streams. Skill development. Running your own business requires you to wear multiple hats, allowing you to develop a wide range of skills, from management and marketing to finance and customer relations. You have the freedom to make choices that align with your personal and professional values without being governed by others' decisions or policies. The sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that comes from building and growing your own business can be gratifying when it comes to job satisfaction. Diverse experiences. As an entrepreneur, you are likely to encounter various challenges and situations that lead to diverse learning experiences, contributing to individual growth. Owning your own business enables you to experiment with new ideas, technologies, and approaches, creating a climate of innovation and adaptability. Owning your own business can create a lasting legacy for yourself and your family. This is an opportunity to make an impact on your industry or community. Don't give up on your dreams. Thanks for watching.